Thank you for coming back to my show. I'm very glad that you have come back to watch and see what I'm doing. The last time when I made the chicken with vegetables and black bean sauce, I mentioned that you should make some extra rice. And today I'm going to show you why it's useful to have the rice, and it's very easy to make stir-fry rice with. Today you are going to find ingredients that are often very easily available in your pantry. So I have here the usual culprits: onions, garlic, carrots which I've diced up, and frozen peas. Just defrost them. It's really easy. They're about roughly 1 cup's worth, or just 1 carrot. Just guesstimate, it doesn't really matter. You're gonna need 2 eggs, and I'm going to add some shrimps as well. So I have actually shelled and deveined these, but you can also find this in the freezer section, and that's one of those things that I always have in my freezer, shrimps. So they are so easy to use and cook, and I don't have to sort of mess around with it too much. So as usual, we are going to, I have my trusty wok, and one of the reasons why I use wok a lot, and you may wonder why Chinese use the wok so frequently, is that when you turn vegetables, because of the way the pan is made, things kind of automatically almost fall back in, so you don't have to worry about it sort of spilling all over your stove top. So we always start with our oil, heating it up, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Go. Okay, heat it up, and start with your onions and garlic. In fact, you know what, just put your carrots in there. They'll be happy together. So make sure your pan is good and hot, which mine wasn't really that hot, but anyway. I'm gonna let this saute for 2-3 minutes, just so that the carrots soften as well as the onions will soften as well. So that'll take 3 to 5 minutes. You can just keep an eye on it. So I think you can see the onions are starting to turn translucent. That's a good thing. And now we're going to add our peas. You'll notice that I have as much vegetables as I do rice, so it's kind of nice to get a pretty balanced meal out of this. And the color is just lovely. So as much as possible, I like to do everything in one pan, one wok, and that way I won't have as much to wash. So now I'm going to add the egg, and what I do is I make a little hole in the center, put a little bit of cooking oil, about a teaspoon or so, just put your egg in there. It up, just like so, let it cook. And you can actually sprinkle a little bit of salt on the egg, just a little bit, small sprinkling. While you're at it, you might as well add some pepper as well. And just flip it. See how it's cooking? So now the eggs looks like you're almost done, so we're going to add the rice. So that's about 2 cups worth. Okay. Now this is where I use a second spatula, and this is helpful for stirring. Okay, and now I'm going to add some soy sauce, and I happen to like Kikkoman brand. Again, you will find this quite commonly in the Asian grocery store, and same thing at many more bigger chain grocery store. You'll find it in the Asian aisle. So probably I'm gonna start with maybe 3 tablespoons or so, and then taste it. Got 1, 2, 3. Just have to break up the rice, make sure it's sort of all mixed in. And that's almost done. The last thing you're going to add are your shrimps, because they are the ones that cook very quickly, and you don't want to overcook it. They'll become tough. So let's sort of nestle them in the rice a little bit, let them cook. You can already start to see that the shrimps are turning pink, and that's a good indication that the shrimps are cooking nicely. Okay. Now, if you find that the fried rice is starting to get a little bit dry, just add a little bit of water. Doesn't take much. It's almost finished. So I do want to taste it. Make sure that I've got it well seasoned. Maybe just a little bit more soy sauce. See how the shrimps are now pink? So they are pretty much done. I'm going to turn the pan off, heat off. And we're going to take this. Good. See how nice this is? Look at all the nice big shrimp. Okay. There. You can see all the shrimps in there. Look at that. Looks good, right? Well, thank you for joining me. We'll see you in another week or so. See you then. Bye.